works better with a flash on mine.
Hmm.
I bet there won't be any big ones till the end. I bet there won't be any big ones till the end now. Once it's starting the end, that's it. Whoa. Too bloody fast. That was what.
That's well got it. Get that look well because of the photo.
What?
That look well because of the photo.
What will?
Ah, the red stuff. I'm talking in the
What, it doesn't take so, does your take rate like that second to mind?
No. They spent like 5,000 million, didn't they?
What?
The fireworks.
Yeah. Not on the
Same. Loads on the Westminster. Still going on YouTube. Still going on YouTube. Because I'm talking as well.
Turn the sound off and put Katy Perry firework over the picture instead.
Yeah.
I bet there'll be loads of people that do that tomorrow.
I don't think I have to do that, but I'll try. Oh my god, that looks so cool. It was like this last year, like smoke, wasn't it? And you couldn't see anything but smoke.
There's somewhere around here.
Magical, that, innit?
See them?
If I take a good one, I'm going to upload it to Facebook. Lots of respect on this one now. Yeah.
Bloody love fireworks, me.
That looks quite cool.
Yeah. Woo! Oh wow! Whoa! I'm trying to cover it cool on YouTube.
Kind of, yeah. Where you at?
Oh, I never get the big one.
No.
We'll have a wander around.
On my old phone, you have to take that, a snapshot thing where it does like 4 at the same time. Do you know how to do that?
Yeah.
Can you do that now on yours? Now?
I don't actually know.
You can't do it on this phone. It does nothing on the camera is good at all.
Hmm.
Like the internet and everything, and like everything else is really good.
Oh, look at that.
The internet and everything is possible.
Oh, but it look well just like right at the front, won't it?
Yeah.
I bet a phone. Oh my god, I don't think that's quite a camera today.
The worst part of this film is camera. That's the only thing that's like a little bit bad. Everything about it, stop a little. Turn the flash off. Just turn it off.
How many photos have got this video?
Makes it look more like the real colour on when I don't use the flash.
Is it?
When I put the flash in, it makes them look a bit like weird. noise because I wasn't hearing you talking the whole song.
I don't know how to do that.
You know what I'm saying? Windows Movie Maker off.
Alright. That was a big one.
Well, look at my camera. That was like using that. Look.
They're going quite house now, aren't they? Is that it? But this will be the end, won't it? Can we get a professional in?
Be near the end.
Is that it?
What network are you on now, man?
3.
3?
Yeah.
I knew you were a weird network, right? Like, not like a really... So, I wrote up your answer. Have you heard your answer?
No way.
I'll ring it off my phone and put it on loudspeaker after. It's so funny.
What would you do?
It's like 2 people and they're like, one of them said, welcome to 077, and the other one goes, thank you, please leave message after the tone, and then what's the other one, and then the man and when you finish, please send this, like, this talking to each other. Like, the 2 people at close at the
Oh, wow.
pay for the £5,000 worth of fireworks?
Pardon?
What do you pay for £5,000 worth of fireworks?
It's magical, that. God, oh my god.
What?
You know when, what's it called when your muscles go all funny?
Stop recording me.
Like this, like, to do it like this, innit? Oh my god.
Stop recording me.
That kills.
Let me hold it.
No, no, no.
No.
Say it? No, no, it's not. You're going up for 11 minutes now, you know.
People that were like in the wall when it was like... People that were like... People that were like around the wall... The pilots like bombed us in, like scared of the pilots.
Mum said there's some people like that are aware. It must be terrifying for him, like, mustn't it?
Whoa.
Oh my.
I never looked at the on the camera.
Doesn't look as comfortable. That it? No.
That's the longest year and it hasn't been used. Last year it was like proper disappointing.
Yeah. Is that it? You can spell them out, can't you? Must be like that. Is that it? Whee!